Welcome to another Machine Monday. Today I want to demonstrate how we use VR to actually check accessibility of key components inside a machine from a maintenance perspective. Obviously on machines, maintenance crews need access to components to replace them or adjust them. It's often very difficult to do on a 3D design on a 2D screen. Using VR, you can actually walk around the machine and see if you can access key components. What I'm going to show you here is the accessibility of a precision regulator valve that is required on one of our machines, as you can see over here. Let's go check it out to see if I can access it. So obviously I can see the machine over here. I can walk around it. Obviously I can see access to different components, but the key one I want to have a look at is around the back over here. So it's that black valve I see at the bottom over there. So I'm going to go a little bit closer and actually see if I can actually access it. And here you go, I can actually access the valve. I can actually look at the reading on the side. So this is actually not too bad. It's not ideal, but it's actually accessible. And because you only need to access it kind of once a year, it's not the end of the world. So let me take you to the actual machine and you can actually see what it actually looks like. As you saw in VR, the valve is in a very tricky position, but it's still accessible. And this was a decision that was taken by the design team as well as the maintenance team of the customer to leave it here because you only need to access this once a year. But I can still access it if it does break down, as you can see. Here's another Machine Monday.